dear, was a very good one.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, my princess is back. Oh, my princess. Oh, you're welcome. You shall live long.
You see?
You've been useful at this day. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
How was the journey?
It was beautiful.
And how was the trip?
Oh my goodness, it was beautiful. Was a little bumpy here and there, but fine.
Good. Oh, you are welcome back.
Thank you so much. It's good to see you. Daddy, I think I'm really tired. I have to return to my room to have my deserved rest.
Good idea.
Okay, Daddy.
Then we'll talk some more later.
Okay,
Huh?
okay Daddy.
All right. You're welcome. My wife, my sister, my daughter, all rolled into one.
Why is Neka doing this to me? I mean, considering the fact that I have been chasing her over the years, even back in the university.
So it's about Neka? That you've not been answering the call I've been calling you for a while? Please go and ask her. You know her house, not me.
She's your friend.
Come on, John. Do I look like Neka to you? Don't you know Neka again? Please, I saw your mom at the market. She gave me these vegetables for you so you could add them to the soup for your afternoon meal. Since she won't be back early. If you like, prepare the soup and eat. If you don't like, sit here and be bogging your head over Neka. Here, have it. Take her. Sorry, Dal. I'm not being able to do it. It's not as if I forgot girlfriend. It's just that I've been busy. Running errands up and down here and there. Who's busy? Even yesterday I thought I could do it for you. John's mother relayed me in the market with a message for John. And come on, talking about John.
Here. How did John find his way into this conversation?
It's just that he's not letting me rest.
We were talking about my clothes that you were meant to stitch for me. Just stop all this John talk now.
Sorry. It's just that yesterday when I saw him, it was very miserable. Very, very miserable. It's not about me. It's all about you that he's been talking about.
That is none of my business. We were talking about...
It's a human being that we're talking about here. A person's feelings. This guy was interested in you all through the university. And he made it clear to the exclusion of every other girl. But he hardly looked his way. You're my friend though. And I believe that down deep inside that place you like that guy. Because I know you very well. Stop pretending. You like him. What? So, what's wrong? What's the problem? Yes or no? Do you like John or not?
I like him, but...
Okay, so what's wrong? John is nice, he's brilliant, he's cool, he's responsible. Even I'm using company. So what's the problem?
Joe, you know that these days we have to be careful of all these boys. You never can tell. I'm just trying to be very careful.
Girlfriend, you're right, but I think you should give him a trial. Just give him a chance.
Yeah, whatever. It's left for me to decide that. After all, it's my life.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That peel is cassava and stop talking too much. Every time, John. If you like him, go for him. Are you not a girl? You could peel this cassava.
Are you sure with one?
I'm sure now. First, be there. In the magical.
My father is fine, Your Highness. He sends his greetings.
Ah, good.
Is that for me?
Yes, yeah. Please sit down. Yes, I want you to come and meet this young man sitting beside you. The Dibuna, the crown prince of Idemili Kingdom. He has come to see you.
I am delighted to meet you.
Okay. My dears, duty calls. I'll be back shortly.
Very well, Your Highness.
Didn't you realize that we've just been stage managed? My father leaving and all?
Yes. I know. I know.
So yes, aside the whole title thing, what's your actual name?
My real name, I am Prince Ikenga Jibula of Idemili Kingdom.
To be around you.
This is madness.
No. Interest.
So, is that why you keep staring at me each time you see
me? You are entitled to your opinion, but I can't help it. Because you're beautiful, Neka.
Me staring at you doesn't imply madness. It implies interest.
Interest? In who?
In you. Neka, please. Give me a chance in your life.
John, I can't. I mean, you guys are all the same. You people are not reliable.
No. All men are not the same. You've known me since childhood. Have you ever seen me with any girl? Or even heard?
John, leave me alone. Leave me alone, please, leave me.
Neka.
Yeah. So, basically. It's not something about your palace, like how's your father, your parents, everybody?
Well, they were fine.
Are you serious?
They're just the most beautiful palace I've ever been to.
Are you serious, Brian? Your father has a bigger palace than this.
Yeah, it does, but you can't compare it with this one.
Are you serious? You just what my father did about that, like you just came and just whispered into my father's ear and just
Where
like
that?
that.
He said duty call. That's what he said.
It's crazy.
Everywhere like one big.
Following you around?
Yes, now. Everywhere I turn, I see John.
Oh my God, how romantic.
What did you say?
Look up the door. Good morning.
Good morning.
Where I went to. Thank God he didn't stay as much as he used to stay.
Why did you say that?
He didn't stay like before. Didn't you see him?
Hey, my girlfriend. Why are you trying to cover that disappointment that is written all over you when he didn't do his usual thing?
Me, Moa, disappointed.
Hey, look, Neka. We've been friends for ages. When will you understand that? Stop pretending. I don't see anything that is wrong with you letting your head down and being friends with
I beg, see me. You know where all these things will lead. You know.
Look, Neka. Relax and live for once. It's not as if you're preparing for a nunnery or something. Do you want to be a nun? You're just his sister.
Not to meet your sister. Huh? John. What is it? I've told you before. If you like him, go for him.
I don't like him now. That means you don't want to get married.
You don't like him. Why are you telling me?
You don't want to get married. You want to end up in a father's house.
Are you not a girl? Is he your brother?
He's not my brother, but he's okay for you now. Am I not your friend? I want the best for you.
Auntie John. Okay, you want the best for me?
Yes.
He's not the best for you. If you go,
he didn't run after me now. He was running after you.
Leave me alone.
It's you that you want. You end up in your father's house now. I won't talk to you about this issue again.
Would you? Yes. Are you looking for Sister Anne?
No.
She just left.
No, I'm not looking for her. She's already home. She sent me to bring those items for your mother. She said she forgot to bring them along when she came.
Oh, Mama is in the back. At the back, yeah.
Okay. And John, what's happening between you and my friend Neka?
What's happening?
When it seems she has started showing interest, you're acting uninterested.
I guess everybody have their limits. I have reached my limit. I tried. Guess it wasn't good enough.
Yeah. It's a real pity. But keep on trying. She might change her mind. Alright? Let me see Mama.
It's a pity.
Okay, guess what?
What?
Why are you laughing?
I just finished telling you something now. It's funny.
It's funny. Yeah. Ne, guess what? Guess now.
What? Storyteller, what?
Okay, let me help you. Sister Anna is taking me to Lagos. She said she will help me get a space in Johnson and Maja PLC.
Are you serious?
I'm joking.
How lucky for you, my friend.
Lucky. I know how you feel. Don't worry, alright? I talked to her about you. She said that this opportunity comes once at a time, that she'll bear you in mind, and I'll always remind her. Okay? We'll be leaving tomorrow morning.
I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you too.
I'm going to miss you so much.
Don't worry.
Come, I'm going to miss you.
Don't worry. I'll miss you terribly, but you'll be fine. We'll keep in touch.
I know we'll keep in touch, but no problem. Thank God I have John to keep me company.
Just be yourself. Just be yourself, alright? You'll be fine.
Sure.
Don't cry. No, you can cry. Don't start crying.
Oh, come on, baby. Give me my last hug.
Hey, go. Haven't paid me now.
I'm coming.
Come on, I don't understand you. How many gallons did they fetch?
Now 5.
Alright, bring your money now. You don't fool now. No change. One is 20 naira.
I will give my change my account. That's what we still for that one now.
How many gallons you don't fetch?
5.
Give me your money now. 5. How many you don't fool?
How much you gotta fill this small gallon then for me?
10 naira that one.
5 naira.
You are not understanding. Where's the money?
Bring me change now.
Take your change.
What is wrong with me? God, what is happening to me? Jesus Christ, I've begun to stay just like him, so shamelessly. My God, what is the matter with me?
Neka! Neka!
John, what are you doing here?
To look at you. I have been meaning to do that since I saw you at the ball.
John.
Look, Neka, my intentions for you are very honorable, and that is why I have had so much patience over the years. But I've noticed your reservations, and I want to propose that we stay as friends. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning. Where is your mistress?
She said she had an important appointment. She could not afford to miss, Your Majesty. Can I take any messages for her, sir?
Okay. It's you. Let me see.
My love is your love, and God made it so. So let's take control and watch our love grow. A piece of my soul that I can't let go forever.
Okay.
Cause you are my flesh and I am your blood, the bone of my bone that I can't let go. You're the one I adore, now and forever. My, oh my, oh my, there is no more. Cause you are the one, my heart. Oh, there is no more. Ooh, you are the one, my baby.
Interesting. So this is it, huh? We'll fix an appointment. You decide not to be at work. Now I'm here unscheduled. Here you are at home. I'll clap for you.
I am busy. Very busy.
What? Is this all you have to say?
No, that's not all I have to say. Get out. Get out of my father's palace right now.
You're talking to the prince. I understand how you feel. Let me handle this, please. I just don't understand. Honestly. And to make matters worse, she won't even tell me what the problem is. I just woke up this morning to this insulting nonchalance. You know what? We'll get to the bottom of this. I promise you.
You dreamt of it last night.
Me?
Why are you laughing?
What did you dream about?
I can't say it.
No, please, tell me.
Well, it was strange. You were touching me everywhere, and I was making some funny noises. It was beautiful though, but Jay, is that how it normally is?
Well, I guess when you do it with someone you love.
Well,
What?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing.
Okay. Do you want to talk about this inside?
Is that not Patel?
No, they've gone to the market and will not be back till evening.
No problem. Let's go in.
All right. Cheers.
How are you, my dear?
I'm fine, Daddy. Alright.
Well, you look a little bit under the weather.
No, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, Daddy, I'm fine. I'm doing great.
Ikenga, I haven't seen him lately. Is something wrong?
No, Dad. Nothing is wrong.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Sure. Come on, Dad. I mean, things like this happen. People don't have to see each other all the time.
Yeah. It's just that Ezema sees it differently.
Don't mind Izinwa, okay? Don't mind him. I mean, he's neither Ikenga nor me. He's only guessing, Daddy.
Yeah. Yes, you're right. You're right.
Nah.
Yes, dear.
Was it really painful yesterday?
A little. But it got sweet later.
Okay. I'm happy you liked it.
Jay.
That's my love.
Did you enjoy it?
It It was like I wasn't even on earth. I felt like I was out of this world and gone to heaven.
Mama, good afternoon.
Neka, where are you coming from?
Mama, I went to see a friend.
A friend?
Yes, Mama.
Neka, sit down here. Sit down here.
Mama.
I say you should sit down. Neka, what is going on between you and the Moye's son, John?
Mama, he's just my friend. We're just friends. That's all.
He's your friend?
That
is it, eh? Why do you people have decided to make yourselves the talk of the town? Eh? Why?
Mama, we're just friends, that's all.
Get to. Let your father know here about this nonsense, so. Let him not get to know about it, too. Neka.
Okay, Mama. I've heard. Nothing is happening between us. We're just friends. Let me help you. We're just friends, Mama. Nothing is happening. Mama, can't I just be friends with anybody?
Neka. Neka.
Mama, this is what we're having for long.
Wow.
Sure. Someone from our friend.
I'm telling them that boy, Karuma boy, is good. I tell you I can bet on him. I will bet on that boy.
Kind of one for the time. Eh? Yeah, kind of one.
You will not understand.
Papa, Mama, I'm going to see a friend.
Neka, sit down. Neka, sit down.
My father said you should sit down.
Neka,
Papa.
I'm not comfortable with the stories I'm hearing about you. What is going on between you and that boy that is following you around the village?
Papa, he's my friend now.
Friend. Open a camera, no you go. My friend. Friend indeed. Neka. Neka.
Papa.
Neka. Have you seen your daughter? Neka. I and your mother cannot misguide you. You must stop seeing that boy. Neka, you must stop seeing that boy.
Neka, keep quiet and listen to your father. Keep quiet and listen to him.
Every time I will be talking about something, she will not listen. And I have been expecting you that you should be telling this girl what to do in the right condition.
No, I've been talking to her. I've been talking to her long ago.
Neka. Neka.
Neka!
No, just don't worry. Let me get it.
Sit down, sit down. You see what I have been telling you? Neka, you see what I have been telling you?
What will I do now? Why are we not just friends? He's my friend.
You're not the only beautiful girl, oh. You're not the only beautiful girl, oh.
Can't I have friends again?
Hold on to yourself, oh. You see it?
Afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you, my son?
Fine. Thank you, sir.
I guess you're the one my daughter Neka is coming to see this afternoon. Is it not? Come on, my son. Just tell me the truth. Tell me the truth.
Yes, sir.
And remind me that your name.
John.
John, yes. And I guess you are here to see her and possibly go out with her. You're welcome. Let me call her for you. Eh? Let me call her.
Thank you, sir.
Help me. I must finish this book. Don't need to finish this book. This is I must finish it.
Is it because I don't have a job? That's why they're chasing me.
But you didn't say anything like that.
But it's the truth. It's the truth. I need to do something. It's about time. You know, I will talk to my friend Jonathan. He told me about some vacancies the last time I spoke to him, about some places that he checked out. I'll go and find him. I'm getting too used to this village life.
Yeah, I remember you told me about this Jonathan guy, but you told me he can provide you with accommodation. And you know, in cases like this, you have to hang out in town for a day or two. How will you cope?
Be fine. I'll be fine. It's okay. I'll be fine. Okay. I'll be fine.
Hello?
Nah, you will not believe what happened to me today. I went to one of the places that Jonathan told me about, and they were writing their aptitude test. Yeah, I joined in.
Oh my God, Jay. Let God answer our prayer and let them employ you.
They even said we should stay and get the results. So I'm even waiting now.
All right. I'll be expecting your call, okay? And I'll be praying for you. Just take care of yourself. Bye.
No, bye.
Make a way for Jay. Let them employ him.
My dear, I really like you. I do.
I already know that, Obizi, but The feeling is not mutual.
Oh, never mind. Those things don't happen in a flash. And besides, love takes its time to mature. Okay? But in the meantime, I have to take you to my father's palace for you to see what I got.
Is this what you've been doing behind me? Is this really what you're up to? You two-timing traitor!
Don't dare insult her before me. You don't dare. Just found favor in my eyes. And you must get used to that. Stay clear.
Or what? Or what? You bloody nitwit.
I am not surprised. No. You know why I'm not surprised? This is what your father did, and he had it hot. If you look at me, you know I'm a very gentle prince. So wasting my time with an arrogant and a lunatic prince like you, I think I don't know what I'm doing. So the best you got to do for yourself is this. Stay clear and be warned. Be warned. Be warned.
God is bigger than all my problems. It's bigger than everything. God is bigger than every mountain.
Neka!
That sounds like
How are you?
fine. Congratulations. Yeah.
Thank you. I missed you.
Me too. Mine was so bad. How did everything go? Is everything completed already?
All right. It was fun. There's a little process, though. There is one more interview that we have to do. But I see it as a formality, because they are saying those who are coming should just come with their bags. So I think it's still a head-on, but I'll be fine. So did you miss me?
Oh, I didn't miss you so much. Oh no, I'm home alone.
Okay.
So let me get you something.
My dear, are you connected to the confrontation between Prince Ikenga and Prince Obieze yesterday in my throne room?
No, Daddy. No. I mean, these two men are just uncivilized men that cannot compete over a woman without rancor over her. Daddy, I blame you for this. I totally blame you for this.
Me?
Yes.
How?
Oh, Daddy, you always keep matchmaking me all the time. And there's bound to be problems if you do that.
All right, I'll stop.
Good.
Jay, You're worried.
My love.
Yes, dear.
I was just wondering, how am I going to cope without you? And the place is so far.
Jay, I feel the same way too. But I console myself with the fact that we'll at least be talking on phone. Jay, what we should be doing now is pray for you. You know it's not easy to get a job in the city. Jay.
Yes, my love.
I'll always be there for you.
I know. I'm counting on it. And I will always belong to you.
Thank you, Jay. Thank you.
What? Oh, please. Why you won't do them now? What this road? What's the order? Oh, yeah, now. See now. My guy, too fast. Oh, yeah, now. Now, you don't want to know what you want without about this also. You don't want to come on. You never hear about what you I do there. What's in the worry you? I know you're not here. Wait now. I go start. Take on. What is the business, sir? Come on. You want me to arrange you?
Young man, your almost impeccable credentials speak for themselves, and I think that's the major reason why we chose you. But that's not the end. You see, in this company, we don't encourage laziness, even if you are the most brilliant person in the whole world.
Exactly.
Have I understood?
Understood, sir.
This firm is the most successful architectural outfit in this town. Meaning we didn't get that far by being lazy, and we hope you're not.
No, I'm not lazy, sir.
Good.
Very hardworking.
I want to believe you've been given a copy of the company rules.
Yes, sir.
I want you to study and understand every one of the rules. If you fail any one, you fail the employment. On that note, I would want you to come to be around on Friday so that we could introduce you to the chairman, chief executive officer of the company on Friday when we'll be having our board meeting. I want you to dress well.
Yes, sir, I will.
From here, you go to the welfare department. You'll be given some allowance to start with, and then they'll show you your accommodation.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any other?
Not at this time, sir.
Okay. So,
Thank you very much.
see you.
Thank you, sir.
Your Highness, I'm very delighted to introduce this young man standing here before this honorable board. We just employed him as the newest member of the house.
Yeah. You're welcome, young man.
Thank you, Your Highness.
And what's your name?
John Okoye. Your Highness.
Mr. Okoye, you're welcome.
Thank you, Your Highness.
I started this company, and together with my son here, my daughter, and my late wife, we are all architects, and they were my first employees. I'm telling you this because I want you to know that for us, architecture is not only a profession, but a passion and a way of life. You understand?
Yes, Your Highness.
Good. So I would like you to pull your weight. Work very hard as if this company belongs to you and your family. And I promise you that you will be well paid.
Yes, Your Highness. Thank you, Your Highness.
And by the way, I would like you to see me tomorrow evening. Yes, and come with you the blueprint. You give it to me.
Yes,
okay?
Yes,
All right.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Good.
Your Highness, I'm looking for His Majesty. Thank you, Your Highness.
Okay.
My love is your love, and God made me so.
Come in.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, I have a message for you from the palace messenger. He came by this morning and says that Princess Daisy requests your presence at the palace at the hours of 4 and 6 p.m. on Saturday.
Did he say why?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Neka! Neka! Oh, Neka! 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 What is the meaning of this nonsense? At midday, at night, you are sleeping. Even this morning, you are still sleeping. What is happening?
Okay, Mama, I was just sleeping.
You are just sleeping. Okay. Come on, let me show you what to prepare for our lunch. Come on.
Your Highness.
Hi.
Hello.
So how are you doing? Oh, sit down, sorry.
I'm doing fine.
So tell me, how are you?
I'm doing fine, Your Highness.
And how are you coping with your new job?
Oh, it's good. I like it.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Oh, please, just call this highness stuff, okay? I mean, it's beginning to sound like a chorus. My name is Adaise, but if you're not comfortable calling me Adaise, you can call me Princess.
Okay. Your Highness. Princess.
Good. I given instruction that they should get you something like a refreshment of your choice.
Oh, I'm fine, Your Highness. Princess, I'm fine.
Okay. Okay. Since you said that your new place is good and you're enjoying the new place, one of these days I'll just drop by and see how you're settling in.
That would be nice. I'll be honored.
Yeah. Honored?
Yes, like exalted, privileged.
Oh my goodness, stop. Please just stop, okay? Stop. It's okay. It's okay.
What do I do now? God, what do I do? I can't even talk with John on the phone so he will know what has happened. At least he would have given me some good advice. Hey, why is his phone never available? Even Uju's number is also never available. God, I don't want to kill this child. But even if I want to, where is the money for an abortion? I'm in trouble.
Yes. Who is it? Princess.
You done?
Pleasant surprise. I didn't think you meant it.
Why not?
Well, I just didn't think you would grace my humble abode with your presence.
John, you're actually very good with words, you know.
I can see that you're really busy this morning.
I'm trying to finish my house chores because there's a lot of work at the office.
Okay.
I want to see how far I can go today.
Okay, that's very good. I'm very ready. And can I see how far you can?
It's dusty in there, princess.
Are you trying to say that my nose hasn't smelled dust since I was born? John?
Well...
Can I see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Stay here, okay?
Daddy, is someone me?
Yes. Sit down.
Daddy, I would like to stand, please.
Now tell me, what is this I hear about you and the new architect?
Daddy, am I not allowed to make friends? I mean, he's just my friend. Is that why, isn't why she called me a fool?
Then what did you call your sister a fool?
Daddy,
Isn't what admitted you called me a fool? Just say it, you did.
It's not fair. It wasn't fair of you.
Daddy, please, excuse me.
Let her be. I said let her be.
I've had you, Daddy.
One hand.
Sit down. As a one, I think there are one or two things you should know about how to handle a woman.
Neka. For days now, I've noticed that you sleep at almost every hour of the day. Yesterday morning, we were discussing and you suddenly ran outside to vomit. Neka, tell me the truth. You are pregnant.
Mama, I'm not pregnant. Oh.
I know why I'm asking you this. It's for me to tell your father before he finds out himself. Because by the time he does, you know he will beat me along with you. You know how your father can be when he's angry. Neka, are you pregnant?
Mama, I'm not pregnant. No, I'm not pregnant. Could be fever or something. I'm not pregnant, Mama. Mama, have you finished?
So that you can sleep,
But it's not late already.
Okay.
I want to sleep. Just want me to sit down blinking at your face.
So by next week, you will have to be at Eket. There is this land our client has decided to build on, and we need someone from in-house to go and see the lay of the land, since we've been given the freedom to build whatever appropriate for the land.
Alright, sir.
And take a good look at the land and drop something suitable for us to work on.
Yes, sir.
The blueprint will be sent to you in due course. I think that will be all for now.
Thank you, sir.
I'm not disturbing you.
Disturb me? You can never disturb me, my dear.
Okay, Daddy.
Go. Sit down. Sit down and talk to your daddy.
Okay. Daddy, I'll be traveling during the weekend. I want to see a friend at Ikotek.
I hope all is well.
Oh yeah, all is well, all is well. Yes.
Now I would like you to make me a promise.
Okay, and what is promise all about?
That you will bear in mind the fact that you are no longer in the United States as you make this trip.
Okay, I promise.
That's my girl.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm trying to create something unique. I'm just about to start. I'm still, if you like, I'm still getting my thoughts together, my picture, yes.
As usual.
Yes, because it's going to be an extraordinary house where the wind, you know, oh yes, must have access to come in.
Okay.
You know. And
as big as this?
Not necessarily. It doesn't have to be this big to be well ventilated.
Okay.
Oh yes.
But
you know we discussed it the other time.
Of course, I understand.
As a matter of fact, every time I see your work, I'm excited.
Of course.
Oh, you're better than I am.
No, Daddy, no, you.
Honestly, you
taught me all. I mean, I learned a lot of things from you.
You
Daddy.
were my student. You know more than I know.
Like father, like daughter. Daddy, I have to go and not disturb your work.
All right, my dear.
Okay.
Let's see what we can must hear now.
Dear Daddy and Mommy, I have decided to say the truth. I am pregnant. The mortal terror of what Daddy would do to me prevented me from saying it all along. Daddy, Mommy, please don't look for me. I have gone to town to search for work so that I can take care of my child and myself. Goodbye. I love you. Your daughter, Neka.
surprise?
Yeah, I love surprises.
I see. How did you know I will be here?
Well, anyone that looks at the weekly calendar in the office would know that you'll be in Eket this weekend. And also, this is the only project we have in Eket, developing in Eket right now.
You're right. You're right. But why would you want to go through all that trouble?
My goodness, you asked too many questions too quickly. Well, I won't blame you. I'll blame the sun that is really hitting down on you. I guess it's really hot. And with no mercy. Well, I think you need a break. Yeah. Let's go catch a drink together.
It's not a bad idea. I need a break myself.
Okay. It's really hot, you know. So how's work?
Good. So you still haven't answered my question.
Alright. Before I answer that, I would like to ask you a question. Why do you have a very low opinion of yourself? Yeah, you really do. Seriously, you actually do.
In other words, you are saying you actually came here because of me?
Are you surprised that I did?
I actually do.
I guess you also find it very difficult to believe if I tell you that the day you were staring at me at the palace, I was actually aware of it. I actually liked what I saw when I looked at you.
Okay.
John, I actually want to tell you that I'm actually attracted to you. I think we should take this a bit further, you know. Where are you lodging and what hotel are you staying at?
Crystal Royal Hotel.
Okay.
And you?
Oh, yeah. I've not found a place to stay yet, but I think I'll check out your hotel, and if I like it, I'll stay there. But is it really a nice place?
Yes, nice place.
Are you serious? Like they have like jacuzzi baths and like the whole room has a lot of space and balcony and verandas.
Well, it's comfortable for me. I don't know if you would like it like that.
My love is your love, and God made it so. So let's take control and watch our love grow. A piece of my soul that I can't let go forever. 'Cause you are my flesh and I am your blood, bone of my bone that I can't let go. You're the one I adore, now and forever. There is no more I can ask for, 'cause you are the one my heart needs. You are the one my heart. You are the one I can have.
So, this is the room.
Okay.
The toilet is in there.
Nice.
You like it?
Yeah, it's quite impressive. Nice.
Cool.
Can I sit?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
There is no mine. You are the one my heart
Your food is good.
Oh, really? Are you serious? Like, it's really good, huh? How
Yes.
is it?
It's
Come what may, you're still my babe forever. Yeah. 'Cause you are the one I adore. You are the one I'll be loving forever. My baby is true. Mine, there is no more I can ask. My love is your love, and God made it so. So let's take control and watch our love grow. A piece of my soul that I can't let go forever. 'Cause you are my flesh and I am your blood, bone of my bone that I can't let go. You're the one I adore, now and forever. Mine, there is no more I can ask no more. 'Cause you are the one my heart, 'cause you are the one my heart, you are the one I can't hide.
I'm sorry, madam. We did our last interview yesterday. Even as I speak to you this morning, those shortlisted have started work. There is no more vacancy. But from what I see of your credentials, you deserve a better work than that. Yes, come in. So didn't I give instructions yesterday that the applicant board will be removed from defense?
You did, sir.
And what happened?
I instructed the gate man just as you told me.
Now go back and tell him that I said that the board will be removed from defense immediately.
Yes, sir.
And make sure he does it in your presence. No.
Please help me. I don't have anywhere else to
It hasn't gotten to this.
Please, please.
Alright, just stand up. Stand up. Sit down. Sit down. Come in a second. Alright, come back in 2 days time. Let me see what I can do.
Hey, Oga.
Alright.
Thank you.
Don't worry, just cool. I'll come back in 2 days time.
Thank you, sir.
God
God bless you, sir.
God bless you too. Bye.
John, sweetheart, what is it? Huh? What's the problem? What's the matter with you? Didn't you enjoy yourself as much as I did?
I just feel guilty of all of this.
Why? Why are you feeling guilty? It's not as if you're a priest or something. You don't have to feel this way, okay?
I have a girl in the village that is faithful to me.
Oh, please. Just stop it and relax, okay? Just relax. You'll be fine. Alright? You'll be fine. Just enjoy the variety.
I don't want to compare Neka to anyone.
Neka, God. Sweetheart, listen to me and listen carefully. Look at you, looking all handsome and all with this your masculinity and Ben Matter skill from one village girl. Oh no. Sweetheart, I want my share. Huh?
You're not going to have it.
But I just had one round of hot sex. I just had one right now.
I'm here, I've been cleaning. Yeah, sorry. Thank you. You're looking so good. Oh, please, put us back, please. But it's true. Anyway, thank you. Yeah, madam. Mr. Henry, this office is the office of one of the youngest architects in this company. You know what? He's smart, young, and very handsome. All this for one person. Yes. And from what I heard, and this is the princess is already lashed on him. And I think the guy is responding so positively. Anyway, we don't blame the guy. The girl is rich, beautiful, educated, and sexy.
Rita!
Yeah.
Rita! You have so many stories about so many people.
Yes.
They cannot be true.
They're all true. Take for example, this guy in question. Do you know that he traveled out of city this same week for some work outside? And the princess decided to travel. What would you call that? A coincidence.
Rita. Rita.
Doctor.
With this background. This is a very nice office though.
Thank you very much.
Neka, what is it?
John, what is it in there? John, wait. Ne, is this the same John you told me about? Yes. Please, Your Highness. Please.
Quiet.
I believe you.
I said quiet.
Please, Your Highness. Please. Please, Your Highness.
Look what you knock out.
Yes, Your Highness.
The Jubu here is pregnant, and she says you are responsible. Is that true?
Your Highness.
Yes or no?
Yes, Your Highness.
Good. When you are employed here, you are given some set of rules.
Yes, Your Highness.
And code of behavior.
Yes, Your Highness.
Yes or no?
Yes, Your Highness.
Good. So both of you, having been given and having read and knowing what the rules are, what you are supposed to do and code of behavior, you willfully broke the rules.
I'm so sorry.
And you got this royal maiden pregnant.
I'm so sorry.
Your employments are hereby terminated. No. I will not accept an apology. Not this time. No.
I'm not the place to go, Your Highness. Please. Your Highness, I'm sorry.
Your Highness. Sorry. I'm very grateful, sir.
It's alright. I even regret we cannot offer a job more befitting to your academic qualification.
I'm grateful all the same, sir, for the advanced payment, accommodation, and everything. Thank you very much, sir.
It's alright. It's our way of motivating workers around here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's alright.
Excuse me, sir.
Neka. Neka.
This. I'm begging in the name of God, please. How can I fend for this child without an employment? How can I fend? Please, Your Highness. You know your father listens to you. Your Highness, please. And he may change his mind if you plead on my behalf. Please, Your Highness, I beg you.
Where is this father of this child?
He disappeared after the king discharged us from his presence.
Ogechuku, you knew the rules, didn't you? I'm asking you a question. You knew the rules, didn't you?
Yes, Your Highness. But it was the devil's handbook. Please.
Really? The devil's work, you say? Ogechuku, there are two things I don't like. Two things. Waiting of favors and fools. Okay? So before I open my eyes, get out of my presence.
Your Highness, please. Hey. Your Highness.
I said, leave.
Please, Your Highness, please. Guards! Please, Your Highness. Guards! Your Highness, please. Enough for anything. Guards, where are you? Please. Enough for anything. I've served you for years. Please. I've served you faithfully. I've never erred for once. Please, Your Highness. Please, Your Highness, please.
Okay, you can just leave my presence right now. I said leave my presence. I'm not joking with you.
Please, I beg you, Highness, please.
followed you from work.
John, don't name me now. Get out of my house.
No.
Get out!
No.
Get out!
What is the meaning of all of this?
Just stop. John, I know all about you and your super duper Daisy. John, how could you? John, I loved you. I trusted you with the whole of my heart. And you came into the city and you threw all in the dust. John, how could you?
No.
Well, I was wandering in this city, looking for how to fend for my child. How a child, John! You were busy frolicking with her. How could you? John, don't touch me! It's a pity that you are the father of my child, but so be it. John, get out. Get out of ice cream! John, get out!
I can explain.
Get out. Just get out. Get out. Get out! Good afternoon. You know, actually saying hello to you. Hello. What is wrong with you? John, I'm actually greeting you. I'm saying good afternoon. John! John, I said good afternoon. John, I'm talking to you. John! John, listen, I said good afternoon. John! John, John, what is wrong with you this afternoon? I mean, you can't even acknowledge my greetings.
Why? Why should I acknowledge your greetings when you have ruined my life?
Okay, what have I done this time?
Neka works for you, for your father. She works in your father's company. And she knows all about us.
Oh, I see. So that Felix Cinderella has come to town and wants to destroy my relationship. But you know what? I've got good news for you. Because that serves my purpose beautifully.
What? I think you missed the point. You missed the point. I love that girl. And I want to marry her.
No, sweetheart. You missed the point. I am serious about you and I want to marry you.
It's possible. It's not possible. You blue blood. You royalty. I'm a commoner. Your parents have plans for you. It's not possible.
Sweetheart, don't worry about my parents, okay? My parents will come around when I put my foot down about us, okay? Don't worry about them. Sweetheart.
It's late now. Neka is pregnant for me.
Oh, she is? I'm also pregnant for you too.
What?
Yes. I am carrying a child, John. I am pregnant. Or do you expect me to go around town and carry another trophy? I am pregnant, baby. I am pregnant for you. Okay, baby. I'm serious. Come here. Don't be angry. I know you're pissed. Come, baby. You take it easy, right?
Okay, Che. I've been thinking about your situation, and I think I might be able to help you.
Oh, Your Highness, I'm grateful.
Thank me yet, okay? Because I won't be begging my father to receive you back, okay? I won't be begging him on your behalf, mind you.
Then, how do you intend to do that, Your Highness?
Since you said that you can't fend for your child, I'll be giving you 250,000 naira to adopt your child. And you know what? I need you to do me one more thing. I need you to keep your mouth shut. Otherwise, I'll be forced to cancel the deal.
Oh, no, Your Highness. I'll cooperate. I'll keep my mouth shut.
I'll call you on the phone to meet me at the venue of my choice. I'll see how you're doing and I'll advance your payment. After the baby is delivered and transferred, the payment will be completed. Do you understand? Good. I hope we've come to an agreement now.
Yes, Your Highness.
Good. You can leave.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Dad, what is it?
I summoned you here.
What's happened? Why is she crying?
Ezenwa, you were right. You were right. There was something between her and the architect.
Dad, I don't understand.
Ezenwa, your sister is pregnant for that commoner. Oh, yeah.
No, this can't be true. Ada, what have you done?
Ezenwa, I love him. I want him.
Shut up! Shut up! Dad, I'll skin that idiot alive. I'll skin him alive.
You will do no such thing, okay? You will do no such thing. What's the meaning of all this? I love him.
Did you hear that? God! Dad, you have to sack him. He has violated the laws of the company regarding sex. He has to leave.
No. The rule says employee to employee. I am a contractual worker and not an employee, blockhead!
Ezenwa. What? Well, into more. Say.
Yeah, Mr. Martins, I'll be back in the next 20 minutes.
Doctor. Sorry for keeping you waiting.
Oh, no. It's all right. Yeah. Are you okay?
As you can see, I'm okay. I'm fine.
Ada, but you look worried. Is there any problem?
No, I'm actually fine, thank you. I'm sorry for keeping you waiting and thank you for coming at short notice.
That's all right.
Doctor.
Yeah.
There is something I want to discuss with you.
And what's that?
You know, as the family doctor in the palace, you have my father's ears. What I'm about to discuss with you right now, I don't want my father to know about it. It will earn you 500,000 naira. But if you fail, I will make so much noise that my father will relieve you of your duties in the palace.
Did you invite me here to insult me or what?
Oh, please, sit down, okay? Sit down, okay? Good morning is not made with aggravation. I'm only giving you all the options.
Okay. Can I know about this project?
Not until you make up your mind. Because once I tell you, you're in.
My love is your love, and God made it so. So let's take control and watch our love grow. A piece of my soul that I can't let go forever. 'Cause you are my flesh and I am your blood, bone of my bone that I can't let go. You're the one I adore, now and forever. My, there is no more I can ask for. 'Cause you are the one my heart, 'cause you are the one my heart. You are the one I can have. There is no mine.
Oh, he didn't say anything like that.
But it's the truth.